Aloha guys, Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today's lick of the day was a turnaround in the key of C. And let me play the lick first, and then I'll go ahead and break it down for you. Okay, so what that is I'm holding the G note here on the second fret of the third fret of the second string, and I'm sliding into the same note. Okay, but I'm on the third string and I'm sliding into the 7th fret, and then I pick the top string, so it's all the same note, yeah. G G G, and then I go down to 6 5, and then I pick this again, and then 2nd fret, 3rd fret on the 1st string. And what that is 4 3 2 3 1 2 3 2. Okay, and then we go again. So top string, slide into 7, pick that G, and then 6 5, and then slide again. And that's 4 3 2 1, 4 3 2 3 1. And that's it. So it just goes. Okay. So hope you enjoy the lick. Alright, so as usual, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you want to see more lessons like this, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, where we have a 2-week free trial membership right now. So check it out, guys. We'll see you around. Aloha.